Hi everyone, this is Julia with Exclusive Dance Studios. I hope you all doing well. So today we're going to continue with our footwork for standard and smooth. Last videos we were talking about standing leg and work the weight over the standing leg and how you proceed with the pendulum action over the standing foot. Today I would like to talk about free leg. In order to do that, I would like you to find out for yourself the difference between flex ankle and stretch ankle. So if you stand straight and just point foot to the side, this is a stretch ankle position. If you flex the foot and only leave the heel on the floor, we call it flex ankle. So I would like you to do a step forward with the right foot, just to make a step forward, and point the left foot behind, stretch the ankle. And then please slightly start flexing ankle and bringing with a nice connection foot through. When the foot comes to meet other foot, this position where you have whole foot on the floor, and then after that the leg goes through, flexing the ankle, and there's a slightly gentle flex in the ankle, and after that you can make a step forward. So you should try this exercise a few times on the different legs. And also guys, always feel free to post comments underneath the videos on Facebook, or you can reach out to me directly on the Facebook to Julia Mincheva. Thanks again and have a good day.